Hey, if you wonder how to count steps with the CMF Watch Pro, there's like two methods. First of all, this watch counting steps automatically. But if for some reason if it doesn't work for you, you can just simply click on this button to open all of this exercise. Click right here. And now you can select, for example, the indoor or outdoor walk. Let's for example select the indoor walk. Now for sure we have to actually wear our watch, and now you can just click here to turn it on. And now when you scroll down, you'll actually find the steps counter just right here. So it's visible in this place. But as I said before, it's also visible just right here in the application. So here you can find all of your steps, and it's also visible on this watch face. This is actually the main watch face that you have on this watch. Also, you can switch them, so we can try to get somewhere else watch face. But yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.